Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Conditions influenced by inflammation. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Jabbar KS, a certified functional nutrition, health, 10x health and wellness coach, and today we are talking about something that affects millions of people every day, inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process in the body, part of your immune response to injury or infection. But we but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a wide range of health problems. What is chronic inflammation? Chronic inflammation happens when the body is a state of alert for long periods. This can damage healthy cells, tissues, and organs, leading to serious health conditions. Some of the most common conditions influenced by chronic inflammation include arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, thyroid disorders, anxiety, depression, and even cancer. How inflammation affect your body? Inflammation causes a range of symptoms, from joint pain and fatigue to digestive issues and even skin condition. It's like a fire burning inside your body, causing long-term damage if it is not controlled. When inflammation lingers, it starts to influence major symptoms affecting everything from your metabolism to your mood. Solutions and strategies. The good news, you can manage inflammation with the right lifestyle changes. Start with the nutrition, anti-inflammatory foods, stress management, and regular movement are key. Healthy meals, meditation, and exercise. Focus on foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and berries while cutting back on processed foods and sugar. Finally, inflammation is at the root of many health conditions, but by addressing it, you can start to take control of your health. If you want to learn more about how to reduce inflammation and improve your well-being, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and remember, your health is in your hands. Goodbye.